Oh, wow. We have fruit.
Yeah, you have a complimentary.
Oh my gosh.
And plus coffee and tea.
Wow.
Wow. Oh, thank you, sir.
Password Wi-Fi, time for the breakfast, time for the scout, and every with the last.
Okay, great.
All right.
Thank you so
So,
much.
TV. There's a bed. That's a nice sized bed for two of them. They're going to sleep nice out here.
Oh, this is good?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, okay. Richard. No.
Wow.
What's in here?
This is very stately.
Look at the bathroom.
Wow.
Can I eat some grapes?
Yes, you can. I love that armoire
The shower is
or wardrobe.
Nope, you don't pee in that one. You pee in the toilet.
And then, wow, look at the bathroom, the shower. Scoot over, honey.
I'm gonna steal all after you're done
Nice
recording this, I'm
shower.
gonna have to kick you all out.
Okay.
This is nice.
And then let's check out our, I think,
Look how square
That's
texture.
safe in here.